Okay, so my top video tips for creating videos for your business and your social media. My first top tip is all around lighting. So you want to make sure that your lighting is positioned in front of your computer and that you have either natural light or really good like recording light to make sure that you get an even spread of light. It's really difficult and distracting for people if they can't see your face when you're talking on a video. So make sure that that's a key thing. The second thing is around eye contact. It is really, really tempting to look at yourself while you record rather than look at the camera. Now, it's really important that you look at the camera. Don't stare at it or anything crazy, but keep good eye contact with the camera and make sure that actually you are talking directly to the person that is in front of you. Remember, it is an individual at the end of that lens, and you want it to be a comfortable experience for them going through.